Hello and welcome to today's Masterclass Introduction. Inside, we will be talking about and demonstrating building your online store with OpenCart. OpenCart installation requires only one click if you are with the right hosting provider. In fact, the right hosting provider will install OpenCart for you at no charge. And yes, like the OpenCart installation, the OpenCart platform is free. If your web business plan calls for creating a web store or online retail shop, OpenCart ranks ahead of many e-commerce providers. Once you have completed the one-click OpenCart installation or had support install it for you, you will discover an admin panel with all of the features you need to run a successful online business. Many of these features you only find on high-end, expensive e-commerce platforms. Just as the heading says, OpenCart is a free open source e-commerce platform for online merchants. Following your OpenCart installation, you will discover a platform that provides a professional and reliable foundation from which to build a successful online store. The OpenCart platform appeals to a wide variety of users, from novice to advanced, from seasoned web developers looking for a user-friendly interface to shop owners just launching their business online for the first time. OpenCart has an extensive array of features. Each provides a strong emphasis and integration on the customization of the online business owner's web store. OpenCart's tools provide a foot up for your online shop to achieve its full potential and then some. When you log in to your OpenCart account, front and center is a dashboard displaying key indicators. These sections include 1. An overview composed of 4 charts: total orders, total sales, total customers, people online in your shop right now. 2. A world map that displays where your sales are coming from. 3. Sales analytics displaying the number of sales and customers over time. And 4. Latest orders listing most recent orders and their details. On the left, in the sidebar, is the administration panel. The headings are pretty much self-describing what you would find in each. For example, catalog is where you would find each of the features for listing the products, services, or even membership packages you might offer. This administration panel is where you would modify features, upload images, add products, keep track of customers, manage payments, and undertake regular maintenance. At the time of this publication, I sourced 3 online stores built on the OpenCart hosting platform: woodenposters.com, simplyprettyweddings.com, and divadolly.com. Each is unique. Each demonstrates the diversity OpenCart provides. This is an example from Simply Pretty Weddings online store. For a complimentary demo of the OpenCart platform, go to builditfromanywhere.com. Select Online Store Builder and then OpenCart Demo. The emphasis of this video was that the OpenCart installation requires only one click if you are with the right hosting provider. If your current hosting provider is using cPanel, then unfortunately it is much more complicated. You need advanced knowledge or support. However, if after reviewing the OpenCart demo you are determined to launch your online store using the OpenCart platform, we can help. First, if you want to keep a domain name you already have registered, any one of the 3 OpenCart installation and hosting providers we recommend will assist with the transfer of your domain at no charge. Alternatively, if you do not already have a domain name registered, selecting any one of the 3 recommended domain registrars and hosting providers will allow you to register a domain name and have the OpenCart platform installation completed for you. By the way, if you think creating an online store using the OpenCart platform is going to cost you big bucks, think again. This image shows you what your monthly investment would be for OpenCart hosting for up to 5 domains at the time of this publication. To see what your monthly cost would be today, check out any one of the 3 suggested one-click OpenCart installation and hosting providers. This brings us to an end of today's masterclass introduction. Inside, we'll discuss more of the features and benefits of using the OpenCart platform as the foundation for your online store. If you happen to be watching this on the replay, I'll include links to the 3 suggested OpenCart one-click installation hosting providers in the description. Plus, I'll also include a link on how you can get more information about our masterclass membership.